In this video, I'll show you how to connect a PS5 controller to your OnePlus Nord CE6 or CE6 5G. Now the first thing you need to do is to put the PS5 controller in pairing mode. So press the PS button and this button, the share button right here. So you want to press and hold them simultaneously, just like that. Press and hold until those blue lights start flashing like that, indicating that it's in pairing mode. Now, once you do that, simply go into the settings of your phone and then select Bluetooth. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on and it's going to start scanning for devices, and as you can see, it has already detected my DualSense wireless controller. So tap on the wireless controller. You should receive a pairing request, and then now you can simply tap on pair to complete the connection or the pairing process. And as you can see, now it's connected and you can use the controller to navigate through your phone just like that, to play games and to do any other thing that you might want to do using this controller. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comments and questions down below. Take care and God bless.